Hey kids, it's time for another episode of KittyKatGaming with your host, Mortimer!
KitKatG! KitKatG! Yay!
Hey everybody, and welcome to another exciting episode of KittyKatGaming. I'm here with Aaron.
Hi, I'm Aaron.
And we're playing more Will You Press the Button?
Will you press the button? Wait, you played this already?
I have played 2 episodes of this game.
Oh, dang.
And it is very fun. And the comment section goes crazy.
Sweet.
Pew, 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 pew. They really judge me based on what I say.
Oh, snap.
So we're going to play this again.
All right. I'm very excited to be a part of this.
You've never played this game before.
Yeah.
I had to explain it to Aaron right before we started filming, and I was like, Aaron, you're gonna get a kick out of this game.
Why don't you make it bigger?
How can I make it bigger?
Control plus.
Oh, don't worry. Kevin will have zoomed in on this.
Oh, okay.
So let's get started. The first question, Aaron.
We're just right in.
Yeah. Would you press the button if you got to live forever, but every moment is less beautiful because you know it can never be your last?
Well, okay. First of all, that explanation is really dumb. Every moment is less beautiful because you know it can never be. That's not why I enjoy things.
They could have worded that better.
So if that's literally the only reason, actually, I don't know if I'd want to live forever.
Yeah, I talked about this in the last video. I would not want to live forever.
That's like agony.
Yeah, it's not appealing to me.
I'd maybe want to live like longer. I would love to live like several generations because I feel like that would be pretty interesting.
Yeah, that would be cool. But I mean, I feel like you already do that anyways in a normal lifetime.
Maybe. I don't know. I want to see like...
A lot of people are obsessed with living forever, but I mean, once you start getting old, it's like, I'm ready to die. God, take me, please. You know?
I wonder if because you knew you were going to live for like 300 or 400 years, you'd like start taking shit for granted and you wouldn't like... Like, I feel like because I know I'm going to die at some point, I'm like, all right, well, I got to read all this stuff.
Whoa, we're going a little bit too deep here right now. I just need to know if you're going to press this button or not.
But if I was living for like 400 years, I'd be like, nah, I can read it later. And then like I'd never get around to it.
You'd just be a couch potato.
Yeah, maybe. I would not press the button.
I would not either. That is not a good idea. But 52% of people said they would press the button.
Wow.
Yeah.
Man, you guys are in for a bad situation.
And then there's comments from other people who are like, who would press this button, ?
All right.
All right, next. Aaron, would you push the button if you get all your music for free off the internet, but the FBI catches you after downloading a Nickelback album and everyone knows you downloaded it?
Yeah, of course. Who the fuck cares?
Yeah, I would do it too.
Who gives a shit?
Yeah, I mean, you could just say it was in a batch download. You didn't know it was there.
Oh my God, who cares? Oh, people are so stupid. Oh, Nickelback's the worst. It's like
56% of people said they would not press it because they don't like Nickelback that much.
Come on, man. It's this.
Dude, free music, I mean, fuck. I didn't want the U2 album and they fucking downloaded it on my phone without my permission. I'm not happy about that shit. I can't even delete it.
That's stupid. I can't believe that's not 100%.
Yeah, people... Silly. All right. Next dilemma. Aaron, would you press the button if you can create a month named after you, but there will be riots outside of your house because everyone else wants a month named after them?
What? No. Why would I do that? That's a horrible thing.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds like a really bad idea.
That's like the most narcissistic fucking thing.
And super stressful, too. Like, people fucking... parading outside your house and know where you live?
Bullshit. No, of course
fucking
not.
way. I like the months the way they are anyways.
Yeah, exactly. 28.
Oh my God.
Sheesh.
But 28% of people did click that button.
28.
Wow.
He had fucking joke clicks.
And then the comment says, solution, tell them not to mess with you or you will kill all of them. If they keep on doing it, kill all of them.
Thanks, B-Leader. You really pulled it out, man.
Wow, some people.
Do you work for are you an engineer? Because, man, you're good at problem solving.
And here's a sociopath. Moskman says, it'll be nice to laugh at them. Wow. This doesn't stop me from allowing everyone else to have a month named after them. Non-pressers don't even think.
Well, okay, would it replace an existing month, or would it... make a new month.
It would have to replace an existing month because you're not going to change all of space and time and the rotation of the Earth.
Oh, but what if you could? That's not what they're asking. They're just saying a month named after you.
All right. Let's go to the next question.
I mean, still no.
It was a good question though. It was a good one.
All right.
All right, Aaron.
Get all video games for free, but you will hate all of them. Well, that's just my life.
You already.
That's my life already.
Would you press the button?
No,
Oh my
because I
God.
like games and I like liking games, so no, of course not.
That's really funny that you got that question.
Of course not.
76% of people agreed with you on that one.
The only use of it would be if you sell them. Oh, that's a good point, Luca 14.
Oh, yeah. Huh. Aaron, would you press the button? You can make anyone real and have them fall in love with you, but they will love you to the point they will kill anyone of the opposite sex you talk to and want to be with you all the time, even in death.
Fuck. Well, first of all, I'm married already, so no to that.
Yeah, back
But
off
also,
imaginary girl in Aaron's head.
Fuck no. What the heck? It's a horrible relationship. That would be way worse than not being in a relationship.
Yeah. No, that sounds like having someone obsessed with you to the point of stalkerism.
Does anybody want that?
No.
We'll find out.
I'm sure some lonely person.
Find out.
So you see,
42%.
wow.
10,000
That means you couldn't even
people.
If you were a guy, you couldn't even talk to your mom anymore because it would kill your mom. That makes no sense.
Oh my God.
People commenting, oh God, makes Loki real. Loki, hello, my queen and goddess. Me, oh my God, winky face.
Winky face. Crimson Nitro Fireworks says, yes, thank you.
Oh, man.
All right, fucking next one,
All right.
please. This one's dumb.
I cannot believe people press that button. Aaron, will you press this button to get unlimited money, but you are married to the person you hate the most, even if they're the same gender as you? So that'd be Ross. You'll get unlimited money, but you're married to Ross.
Well, that's not fucking... All right. This is the bigger question of, what do you do when you have unlimited money? Then you're just, fucking around and everything's boring. And then you get super depressed already, on top of the fact that you married somebody that you hate.
I think that's just a recipe for suicide.
I mean, pretty much, that's just super, super sadness right there.
It's like when you read stories about people who win the lottery and then their lives just crumble and fall apart. Winning the lottery actually ruined their lives. You should read these stories. They're insane. They're available online. But yeah, having a lot of money does not solve all your problems, especially if you're married to a person that you hate. And if you hate them, they probably hate you back.
I don't even know who I hate the most. It's I don't hate a lot of people.
You don't. You're not a very angry person. Yeah.
Well, no. First of all, no. I mean, no to both. I wouldn't even want the good one.
Yeah. 44% of people said they would press the button, though.
I will kill her when she sleep and bam.
Wow.
Damn.
So I would be married to my mother? Lol, no thanks.
I hate a cute asshole, so I really don't care.
All the nope.
Cool, emo weird. All right.
Okay. All right.
Oh, it was good? You rated that one good?
You will become God and can control reality and everything in existence as you see fit. But every time you take a dump, you poop cacti. This is unimaginably painful, and you never acquire tolerance for the agony. You cannot stop yourself from going to the bathroom for longer than 24 hours.
No, both are bad.
You cannot take away pooping from Aaron. Aaron
Why would
loves
you?
to poop.
Why would you want to become a god and control reality? That is the most boring fucking thing ever. We're creatures of conflict. If there's no conflict in your life, you're useless. No. But fuck it, 68 people said yes.
44% of people said
My
yes.
God, you're all
Almost half.
stupid. You're all dumb.
All right. Aaron, you get any weapon from any video game you played, but you can never play video games ever again.
No!
What? I would do that. Come on.
Weapon?
now.
What are you gonna do with it?
Dude, you get the Infinity Gauntlet or something.
I have a whole wall of toy video game weapons. I could go and get them. I can make them.
But I disagree with you on this one.
All right. Okay.
Because you could change lives forever, and all you have to do is just stop playing video games.
How would you change? What weapon would that be?
You could fucking, I don't know, get fucking the Keyblade and go destroy ISIS.
That's not how the Keyblade works.
I'm just saying, for example.
Sora still puts up with tons of crap when he has a Keyblade. He's not invincible. Okay, a portal gun, maybe.
Yes, a portal. Look at all the lives you could save.
Maybe for a portal gun. If somebody was like, you can get a portal gun, but you can never play video games again, I'd be like, oh, but I wouldn't even have a job then. My job is to play video games. Oh,
you would still have a job in something else, though.
And plus, video games are part of, I don't know, man.
I would, to better humanity.
If it was for the greater good of humanity,
yes.
I would get a portal gun.
All right, so you're going to press the button. This is like the first time this entire game that you've actually pressed the button, by the way.
Yeah.
So Aaron pressed the button, and 45% of people agreed with you.
Never!
Oh, these comments are great.
Yeah, portal gun. Totally.
Yep.
That is 100% right.
All right. Well, that was this episode of Will You Press the Button? Da-na-na, with Aaron. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss the next episode, and we'll see you guys all next time. Be sure to leave a comment down below and let us know if you agree or disagree.
Whoa, what the hell did you just say?
Did I say it too fast?
Yeah, you're like, leave a comment down below to let you know what you think.
Leave a comment down below and let us know what weapon you would get to help save humanity. But
well, it wouldn't be to help
save
humanity, it's just a weapon to get.
Or if you just want to fucking kill the world and watch it burn. But we'll see you guys all next time. Bye.
Bye.
Everybody.